how to make money from live streaming. Last year, over 500 people applied for the first edition of our youth program, a training and mentorship program to help young people discover and take advantage of opportunities to advance their careers. We went through the tedious task of selecting 15 of the best applicants to attend the physical training at our office. We printed branded materials and t-shirts, provided lunch and other logistic costs. However, if we had thought about it, we could have allowed all 500 applicants to participate through a live streaming event. Every one of them would have benefited from the wealth of knowledge and experience from our seasoned facilitators, and we could have avoided the more demanding approach of selecting just 15 people for a limited physical meeting. It took the lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic for most people to realize the potential of live streaming. The live streaming industry has been growing gradually over the years, but the COVID-19 pandemic changed everything quickly. Hundreds of millions of people around the world, confined to their homes, quickly gravitated towards live video streaming to consume entertainment, education, and enlightenment. According to research and markets, the video streaming market was worth an estimated $30.29 billion in 2016, is expected to reach $70.05 billion by 2021, and $184.3 billion by 2027. Due to the current pandemic, these projections are sure to grow given the recent trends. As live streaming continues to skyrocket, potential content producers are left wondering, is live streaming here to stay? If so, what are some of the popular platforms in the industry? How can one get started? And does it offer a stable income? Once the outbreak is under control, will there be any long-term impact for those making a living via live streaming? Let's try to answer those questions in this video. Before we get to it, be sure to subscribe to After School TV for more insightful videos like this. The live streaming market. Live streaming is the broadcasting of live videos in real time via the internet to bring worldwide audiences together. This makes live streaming completely uncensored, unlike pre-recorded videos which are usually edited. Today, video games, professional sports, TV broadcasts, and social media can all be live streamed over the internet. While there's nothing quite like the experience of watching an event in person, for many content consumers, live streaming has quickly become the next best option. As for marketers and businesses, live streaming is the closest they can come to physically connecting with their customers during the COVID-19 pandemic. To better understand how the current crisis has impacted the live streaming market, Payoneer, a global payment company, surveyed 200 live streamers from around the world, asking them to explain the benefits live streaming offers, how COVID-19 has affected their earnings, and what they believe the future holds for the industry once the current crisis subsides. The report showed that since the height of COVID-19, the live streaming sector grew by 45%. Almost 51% of live streamers surveyed have been earning from live streaming platforms for less than a year. 38% of streamers expect their earnings will increase during the pandemic. 62% of streamers expect their earnings to grow once the pandemic is over. Many respondents stated that live streaming in the past 6 months has enabled them to steadily and safely earn extra income while at home during the pandemic. Some of the popular streaming platforms include YouTube, Zoom, Periscope, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook Live, Mango Live, Mixer, and Live.me. In addition to social, gaming, and music live streaming, businesses are also using this innovation to reach, engage, and sell to more customers. Global and local businesses are jumping on the live streaming bandwagon, promoting products, discounts, and giveaways. 6 ways to make money from live stream. Below are 6 ways to expand your business, brand, or creative effort to wider audience and monetize your live streams. 1. Launch and sell your product. If you have an existing business, you can use live stream to hold questions and answer sessions relating to your industry to deepen customer engagement and promote your products. As an author, you can live stream to promote and sell more copies of your book. When we wanted to launch our book, we held an interview-style live stream with a multiple award winner to discuss how to assess funding opportunities. This helped us to engage and create deeper connections with our audience. The after effect was more book sales. Promoting your own product is an excellent way to get paid to live stream. Your product can come in different forms, from t-shirts, mugs, and fashion accessories to books, apps, online courses, and training. The type of product you offer will depend on the niche and relevance of your audience and brand. 2. Find a stream sponsor. Sponsorship can be a lucrative way to make money from your live stream if you have high viewership. Typically, a sponsor will require you to introduce or mention their product or to share a short personal testimonial in the course of your stream. How much the sponsor pays will depend on the size, quality, and interest of your audience. You also need to be sure you're promoting a product that is relevant to your audience, and do not turn the entire session into an advert for the sponsor. 3. Run ads. Ads have made their way to live stream. If you build a strong base of followers, on Facebook for example, you'll be able to display ads between or during your live streaming sessions. The revenue is then calculated by the total number of ad views. You'll have to invest time and effort to grow your viewership before you can make substantial income from running ads. 4. Donations. Today, fans and viewers of live streaming can support their favorite creators via online donations. This is among the most innovative ways to make money from live streaming. For example, YouTube Live's Super Chat feature lets viewers pay a small fee to get their chat message pinned to the top of the comment section for a select amount of time. The revenue made from their purchase goes to the streamer. However, this feature is not available in every country. The simplest way to make money from live stream is to use Patreon. With a Patreon account, you can ask for monthly pledges from your subscribers to provide them with premium benefits. Patreon pages are easy to set up, and if you have a large enough following, you could start earning donations from your live stream right away. 5. Affiliate programs. Participating in an affiliate program is another excellent option when looking to profit from live streaming. Affiliate programs gives the opportunity for even the smallest creators to earn from their content. You can sign up to an affiliate marketing program and get an affiliate link or promo code. When someone clicks your link and purchases the product, you receive a percentage from the sale. You want to make sure that the product you're promoting is related to the topic of the video and do not over-promote the product. Brevity is key. Affiliate programs are a great place to start earning because they are low risk. And as long as the products are relevant to your subscribers, they wouldn't mind hearing about them. 6. Redistribute the recordings. The fact that most live streaming platforms allows you to record your live stream videos and redistribute it as you wish is a huge advantage. You can use the recorded version of your live streams to build content to use across social networks. For instance, some of the videos in the early days of this channel were snippets from a Facebook live stream we ran. The duration of the video was over an hour. We broke it down into several videos by segments, addressing different subtopics, and uploaded them on YouTube. This is an effective way to maximize the potential of the content you created from your live stream. You can build your video collection from it. In the COVID-19 era, our digital viewing habits have completely changed, possibly forever. Demands for live streaming has increased more than anticipated during the first half of 2020, and the industry has continued to become even more creative. As demand continues to grow, businesses and entrepreneurs will have to embrace this trend, though the smart ones are already ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with someone. If you're yet to subscribe to After School TV, now's a good time to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, your success matters.